You're right.
Introduction.
Good morning, Jackie. Can you introduce yourself? Njengoba sulapha.
Yes, my name is Minister Jackie. My surname is Great Revival.
Eish, Great Revival. Why dlala Jackie? Why dlala kamnandi? Akusitshele kahle kahle ukuthi isibongo lesi sithi Great Revival kanti sivela esidabukela sivela nga.
Okay, so Great Revival is a movement that I formed.
Okay.
In fact, whereby we gather as worshippers for worship.
For worship.
Yes, in our mission is to uplift especially upcoming worshippers and to revive the society. And the world as well. So as Great Revival we've launched in South Africa. Now we are launching we'll have launched in Zimbabwe. So now we are going to Swaziland and Botswana. Wow. But we also have local tours in South Africa.
In South Africa.
Yes.
Hey, so I believe ukuthi lama local tours they are pending. Lapha eZimbabwe phela hey siyafuna ukuthi lathi ithayekele ukuba serious.
Yes.
Athi sise. Hayi siyabo. So ungasitshela experience yakho lapha ulapha ekhaya ukuthi ibinjani throughout these 3 days of this revival.
In short, let me say in Bulawayo, Great Revival Bulawayo, basiphathe kahle. Oqala and okwesibili we saw the hand of God from Friday. Sibuya sizofika on Saturday we also saw the hand of God. And namhlanje in ending we also saw the hand of God. And City, thank you very much, people of Bulawayo. We are hoping to do another Great Revival which is going to be bigger. Massive than this one.
But next time mele thina yitho mes increase the capacity. Sikhuphule. Hayi so cela uNkulunkulu sihlale phansi analyze sikhuphule capacity. Hayi siyabonga kuba le team yakho and we hope ukuthi solubona futhi lapha koBulawayo.
Hayi sizobe sibuye.
Hayi siyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu.